Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you my ultimate trifle, as promised. A little late, but it's still here. And let's get started on this. So I'm going to include Creme Anglaise, which is a vanilla cream sauce. I'm going to show you how to make that next week, but you can use any recipe you'd like. I have some chiffons that I found in my freezer, so that's what I'm chopping up. You can use any cake. A pound cake is great with trifles as well, but any cake you'd like, any flavor is fine. So I'm just cubing them up to begin with. Okay, and then I'm going to place one layer of cake in the bottom of the bowl. Whatever container you're using is fine. You can really make a trifle in any container you'd like. So the process is going to be the same, but you can use a different container. So then, like the huge pieces, I'm going to just kind of tear up with my fingers, make them a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to pat that down just to give us more room for the next layer. In the next layer, I'm going to put some fresh fruit. I'm using blueberries and blackberries, but really you can use any fruit. That's the beauty of a trifle. You can use any cake, any sauce, any cream, any fruit, and anything really. And you can put it in any order basically. So trifles really let your creativity flow, so there's no really wrong way to do this. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my creme anglaise on there, and I love using creme anglaise with this is because it tastes like ice cream. Basically it tastes like nice vanilla ice cream, so that's never a bad thing to add to something. So I am going to be adding some to mine. And when I do post the creme anglaise recipe, if you want to just double it just to give you more, if you want to cover the whole thing, then that's fine. Alright, so now the whipped cream. I made a ton of whipped cream. We're going to just cover this layer with whipped cream here. And I did sweeten this cream just because there's not a lot of inherent sweetness in this dessert. The chiffons aren't sweet. The berries aren't particularly that sweet. It's not really berry season. And the creme anglaise isn't super sweet either. So just a little bit of sweetness in the cream is going to help this a little bit. Alright, so the next layer, I'm going to do the same thing I did with the chocolate cake, now with the vanilla cake, and just tearing them up. And just want to make sure we cover this layer. Alright, pat that gently down. And then I made some strawberry sauce previously. I'm going to just spread some of that there. And then I'm going to add some fresh berries to it too. And it really doesn't matter if it mixes and matches because we're going to cover it anyways, which we did with our final layer of cream. And that's how easy a trifle is. This is my ultimate trifle. It has so many different textures and flavors and it's so delicious. Give it a try. Go to facefood.com for the full recipe. Like this video. I'd appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. I really, really do. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. There's more great videos on the way, I promise you. Share this video, comment below. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.